Today, we're going to be installing the brand new M2C shock shafts for the Mini Kraton, and then we're going to be immediately taking it out to the skate park to see if they can withstand my bashing. Stay tuned, guys, and let me know what you think about this hot product. What is up, guys? In today's episode, we are going to be installing these brand new M2C Mini Kraton shafts. Don't worry about it saying Mega Kraton, but these are the new shafts that are hopefully going to save everybody's problem on this little car that continues to break shocks and pop the shocks out. Everybody in the world is having this issue, so I think M2C is gonna solve it. First of all, you know, guys, we're just gonna have to do the old takeoff job like we normally do. So we're gonna take off all 4 shocks. I'm not gonna bore you with that, and then once we get there, I'll update you. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the rear today, and we'll see exactly how this goes, as I know M2C has a video on it, so we're probably going to need to watch that. But first of all, we have our shafts here, we have our shafts, we have our O-rings, and the nut that's going to go on them. So next thing I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to take these off and I'm going to drain them into a cup. Kind of hilarious, guys. I'm sitting here just draining my shocks and my piston falls out and it's actually already broken inside of that shock. So I don't know how that shock has survived. So luckily I have a second set of shocks because these are my newer shocks that have already been broken that I just had to rob a piston out of. So now we can actually continue. So now, guys, since we have the M2C rod here, we're good to go. Now we need one of the nuts and 2 of the little O-rings, and I'll show you what you needed with them. So we have our piston here. Next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna put our nut back on here. All right, so we got our nut back on here. We can pull out the old junky one. We won't ever need that stuff again. So now we can just slide our new shaft down inside of here. There we go, slide it down inside of here. And now where these O-rings come in handy is you need to slide them up on the shaft. Now, yes, you are going to lose a little bit of travel, but this will allow it to not have the stupid clip system, and it bounces back on the shock end. So we need to slide 2 O-rings onto here. We're pretty much good to go. Now, let's fill this thing back up. And I just have a mixture of a bunch of stuff that I have used. These things should not take a lot. Didn't think so. But see, that's how it's gonna bump right there. So I'm happy with that one. So let me go ahead and put the cap back on. Make sure to get it tightened down by using some tools. And now we can put our shock end back on here. I'm gonna tighten it down. And now we just repeat the process of putting it back together. Before, I had them seriously all the way down so that they did not fall off. But now, I believe, put them wherever we want them. And just like that, guys, we have an M2C shock. And that was the rear. Now, just to do all the other ones, feels great. And you can see down in there, the little O-rings are saving it from hitting the shock body. So that's gonna be a good thing. And hopefully we'll never have another problem with this. Maybe M2C will come out with pistons eventually too. But feels great. Now let's just repeat the process with all the other ones. And let's go bash then. All right, guys, we got the M2C shock shafts all installed here. You can see they're black. We're gonna go out here and test it at the skate park. Let's go see if we can break this Kraton at the skate park. All right, so last time that we took the Kraton out here was when it was bone stock on the stock shafts and pistons. We broke everything with Avery. So what Avery did is redesigned the shafts so far, and he is gonna come out with pistons. We're gonna go put this thing through the works and see if we explode everything again, or if it's sound enough. I'm guessing the pistons inside are gonna snap, but that's what M2C is working on now. So let's go check it out. Off the rip. All right, we're in the bowl, boys. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that was the front end from hill. Come on, Kraton, let's go. There we go. Oh man, what a landing. Oh, that landed right on the side, but still flipped over. Double, baby. That pulled the body off. We're just getting more and more scraped up here. Can we rail grind? Can we kamikaze RC this? Nope. Kind of. And that means no. Time goes sitting off the big old jump. No. Okay, I see something so far. Look at this front drive shaft. I think on that front landing, we bent that pretty bad. Oh my God. Still going good though. Do another big launch here. Landed it. See if we can't hit this brick wall. Front landing. I don't know what that noise is. Is that the pinion? Is that the pinion going? It's either a pinion or a diff. I think that's a diff. Is that how cute the little diffs sound when they go? Listen to it. Oh, I don't know how that landed. Well, we're gonna have to send it off the big one to kill it off here. I'm not stopping until the diff is gone or whatever this is. I have no clue what's going on here. Hey, that one landed perfectly. And then I did that. I am not nice to this thing. I don't know if it's pinion or diff, boys. It's so funny, I don't know what it is. Clean. See if we can get a good one. There we go. This sounds so bad now. When it hits its power band, that's the noise it makes. Double. Does anybody know what that bird sound is? Well, I'm gonna keep going, so let's see if we can finish this thing off. Wow. Dang, we are giving this the worst, boys. Oh my God. Oh, that was a little curve shot. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what this noise is. Oh, it's getting worse. We're good, we're good. We hardly have any power anymore, so. What is it, spur? There we go. I think it's just a spur. Spur. There we go, boys. So it appears after that nice skate park bash, the M2C shocks held up just fine. I mean, we didn't have the holders pop out. Don't look like they're bent at all. This is the rear. Don't look like they're bent. Let's go to the front. Little loose there. Let's go right here. Still feels perfect. So yeah, I think the shafts held up just fine, but the spur finally gave out. Is the motor loose? Ow, that's hot though, because the fan don't work. I forgot about that with this motor. The motor's a little loose, but I think the spur is gone, so we'll tap into that, guys. But that was so much fun. What did you think? Did you think these shocks were worth it? Let me know. They're so cheap, honestly, and such a great upgrade. I just can't wait for the pistons to come out too. Then we know they're going to be flawless. I'll see you guys in the next one with the Mini Kraton.